Good morning, everyone. I am Riya Sinha, your English teacher. Today we will start chapter number 4 of your English grammar, that is a and the. On whole, in the senior class, you will call it as article, but now we will learn it as a and the. See, Meena wants to buy an umbrella. She will take an auto to the market. She will be back in an hour. Raman works at a school. He wears a uniform. The sun rises in the east. We will go to the Red Fort on Sunday. The girl with the bow and arrow is my sister. I saw an elephant. The elephant had no tusk. I want to buy a cake. The cake should have chocolate in it. The Taj Mahal was built on the banks of the river Yamuna. Look at the bird sitting on the mango tree. See, A is used before naming word that begins with a consonant sound. Now, what is consonant? Basically, the vowels are A, E, I, O and U. In the alphabet, 26 letters are there. In that 26 letters, A, E, I, O and U are called vowels, and the rest of the letters are called consonants. So, A is used before naming words that begin with a consonant sound. An is used before naming words that begin with a vowel sound. Vowel sound means those words that that usually start with A, E, I, O and U. We use the to speak or write about people, places or things we have talked about before. Example, I want a lunch box. The lunch box should be green. Here we are talking about the same lunch box. I want a lunch box and that particular lunch box. So if we are denoting that particular lunch box, that's why we use the here. So the lunch box should be green. We also use the when we specify who, what or which place we are talking about. For example, I went to the shop you told me about. Specifically, we are talking about that particular shop which someone told me or you told me. The is used before things that are one of a kind, which is only one of its kind in this universe, like the sun, the moon, the sky, the earth, etc. The is also used before some special naming words like the names of rivers, mountains, palaces, forts, famous buildings, etc. For examples, see the examples: the Ganga, the Yamuna, the Himalayas, the Gateway of India. These are special naming words. These are proper noun. So before special naming words, some of the special naming words, we use the. Both a and an are used before naming words in the singular number. Singular number means nouns which stands for only one person, place or thing. The can be used to talk about people, places or things in the plural number. Plural number means nouns which stand for more than one person, one place or one thing. So these are the things which you all have to learn in this chapter. These are the basic rules which you all have to understand while putting it in the blanks. Hope you all understood it well. Thank you and have a nice day.